usa ka pageant expert and event organizer and a good friend. Maayong buntag universe, Sir Harold.
Hello world! Hello universe!
Di dyan ba kaya yung energy? Sir, it's been 5 years since Miss Universe 2018, Catriona Gray won the 4th crown for the 100 and million plus Filipino, sir. Karon, straight to the point nga pangutana, mauli ka ha ni Miss Universe Philippines 2023 MMD, Michelle Marquez D, ang corona sa Miss Universe.
Yes, of course. As a sign of our support, and believe that the belief that she can make it. Of course, we are really rooting and hoping na she will be bringing back the 5th crown for the Miss Universe. Kay grabe jud ang iyang preparation, ang iyang team ug maayo. And I hope lang jud na dili siya ma-derail gani sa sa iyang focus on how she will enjoy the event tomorrow, and of course on how she will answer the questions. And that really counts a lot. Katong the pageant day itself, diba, kung if ever of course kusog man jud siya, no, and yes. I'm hoping na masulod siya sa final cut. And ang ako alang yung gusto is that if ever naman siya sa final cut, dili siya ma-derail sa focus ba and sa iyahang iyang intention nga para makuha jud ang ikalimang corona, and at the same time enjoying the show. That's really very very important.
Positibo ba ta nga makasulod sa Semistrict si
Oo naman. Yes, she's really isa siya sa mga kahadlukan sa tanan-tanan mga participants for the Miss Universe pageant. Okay. Grabe jud ang ang focus sa iya sa mga tao, and labi na katong sa iyang performance pud sa semifinals. Yeah, herself being counted as one of the qualifiers for Voice for Change and Miss Carnival siya ha. The cruise line itself chose her to become Miss Carnival. So that's really something, that we have to be proud of. Na imagine there are a lot of ladies there and nganong siya man.
Bitaw, no? Pag ingon biya kagug Pilipinas, automatically kanang gina strong contender. Pero si Michelle, si MMD.
Since the time of katong I forgot her name.
Venus
katong Pilapil Walk. Yeah, since the time of katong Miss Universe nato na candidate that had the Pilapil Walk, si
Venus Ra,
Venus Ra, yes. Since the time of Venus Ra, ang Pilipinas was really a focus.
Yes,
na dapat yun magmatngon sila kung unsa o kinsang candidate na ginapadala nato sa Miss Universe.
For decades yun, gahi kayo ang Pilipinas.
Correct.
So
yes. And I'm amazed, di ba? Kay lahi ang iyang approach karon, and she really, ang ako lang yung comment, no, sa katong preliminaries is ang iyang makeup punta na improve pa to further. At gwapa siya, gwapa. Wala ko ingon nga dili siya gwapa sa preliminaries. Pero kanang mas nag-expect ko gani nga siguro mas hipos pa ang iyang buhok. Kaya naman ko nagasiwil-siwil gamay. Ang iyang like she was planning like to maintain the short hair. Pero ang akong point of comparison para sa iya was Miss Jamaica. Katong short hair gani si Miss Jamaica. Si Miss Vietnam. Oo. So ang ako ang kanang murag kanang hope, no, during the preliminaries was really a curated short hair. Pero syempre
napay pasabog ang during the grand finals or sa coronation ugmang adlaw, Sir Harold.
Kay wala ta kabalo no kung sa jud ang iyahang unsa ang iyahang kana, because they kept it as a secret,
Grabe kaayo ka kuan karon tago.
I was thinking manggod na na kanang she will give it all, no, na dili siya secret, and then she'll be giving hints on what she will be wearing, what she will be preparing, and so on and so forth. But remember, during the last remaining months for her before the competition, hilom baya siya.
Kumbaga, ang gusto ni Michelle nga atake karon, gusto siya mag dark horse, pero sa ngalan nga automatically nga silent killer siya. And frontline siya automatically pag sulod niya sa prelims, 'di ba? Pag perform niya.
Yes.
Mo naglisod niya itago ang iyahang mga moves.
Isa siguro ang best asset jud ni Michelle is her walk.
Yes. Sa kaniyang tawag sa iyang walk, sir?
Snake walk.
Snake walk.
Yes, ang her walk made her presence very commanding. And she will really easily get noticed because short hair siya. And at the same time dili siya ang katong napansin nimo medyo nagtatan siya gamay.
Usab
Dili siya dili siya ingon katong the white Filipina nga ginapadala gani nato sa kanang for the competition. Kay para man gud ako the natural Filipina is really someone who is tan, di ba?
Morena.
Morena mo siyang mulata ana. Para at least lami magud kung white ka, lami ang ilahang visuals like if ever you're mulata or you're tan ana it's
sama
really
nila nila Janine Togonon.
Janine Togonon, sina si Venus Ra,
Ariela Arida.
Correct. And si katong nakadaog sa Miss katong nakadaog sa Miss Supranational si Kuan katong I forgot her name, my God, selective amnesia. Basta kadto siya.
Kinsa nga supra unsa nga tuig, sir?
Atong the first supranational winner sa Philippines.
Si R nag-start. Nakalimot ko.
Yes. Di ba kanang maingana ba? Kanang dali na mo mapansin. Pero I know that she's really prepared psychologically, emotionally, physically, di ba? Ni gamay jud siya compared sa katong binibining Pilipinas Coronation Night. And
grabing training. Physically
grabe ang training. And for sure, di ba, karon man dili na nato mahilabtan nato mga kandidata. They are really busy preparing for the pageant night. Oo. Grabe ilang karon rehearsals, bugbugan jud, di ba? And ang ako alang is unta kanang ma-focus siya. And alam mo usahay ka nang ginapadala nato. Grabe na physically they are prepared. So the moment nagitaak-ang na sila para sa pageant day, nabukog sila. So I mean unta dili na may
nabukog o natikuka kay during napulbaan na. So
permanente na to hinumduman nga ang bangos, grabe kaayo makabukog. So dapat dili mo taon og bangos before the event.
Correct. Oo. Sir, unsay imong tan-aw sa format karon and kani Miss Universe broke another glass ceiling kay it features trans candidates, plus size beauty queen, married mothers.
You know, it is really a platform of inclusivity. Diba? No one should be left behind. Diba? It doesn't matter which color, tradition, belief, or kanang age, which cultural background you come from. Yes, you have to be accepted. And it is a platform for your voice to be heard. Diba? And we know na kanang si Michelle D ang iyang advocacy for children with autism is really something that that is relatable, and iyang good iyang advocacy, it's kanang believable because iyang mga igsuon, di ba? Na siya igsuon nga na ay
na belong sa autism spectrum.
Correct, yes. So it is really something na kanang she really has a knowledge of, dili siya gimugna lang, wala siya gihimo lang, wala siya gipugos lang og himo just because for our candidate to really have a platform. It is really kanang murag innate ba para sa iyaha. So I hope na this can be translated into kanang merits for her to really get the crown.
She has a very strong profile yun, and aside nga dugay na yung advocacy, di ba, sir?
With her mother around, ganong dili siya, she can never go wrong. Di ba? Sabi ingon gani sa iyang mother, di ba, ni Melanie Marquez, anak, baklain mo.
Baklain mo talaga.
Sagahot jud, yes. And di ba katong ang but pasabot sa baklain is laban jud, ayaw jud pabilin.
Ayaw palupig.
Dagan, mintras makadagan ka, ayaw palugi. And pagbantay-bantay sa imong mga kalaban. Kaya anything can happen. So, di ba, you have to be emotionally, physically, and psychologically aware, di ba, of the competition, but at the same time, not leaving the fact that you really have to enjoy the competition. Kaya usahay magod, your focus of winning the crown is more than your presence on stage. So, dili dapat mo mabilin ang imuhang intent that you have to enjoy, like what Catriona and Pia Wurtzbach did. Di ba, kabaluta nga, it's really a tough competition, but you really have to be
just enjoy the show.
And at the same time, you have to be physically present during the competition. Diba? I mean, physically present, that dili lang imuhang physical body ang naa dito, but you have to really know na this is a competition, I must enjoy it, but I have to prove something. Diba?
Yes po. And also, Sir Harold, no, wala ta kabalo, basin same fate sila ni Catriona Gray. Dili man meant sa ilaha ang world, but maybe, no, meant for universe gini si Michelle D.
Correct. Yes. We are really hoping for that. And of course, she has all the prayers of the millions of Filipinos around the world. Diba? And ang ako walang manggod is katong Voice for Change is really something that depicts, diba, the strong advocacy that she has. And at the same time, katong Miss Carnival, the owner of Carnival Cruises, diba, are not Filipinos, diba? So imagine like you eyeing for someone who can exemplify the ideals of the Carnival Cruises, diba? It's really something to look forward to. So I hope, diba, that can also be translated into the visuals of how the judges will be electing the lucky winner, because kani magud siya. I think ang ilang karon, diba, wala gihapon siya nawala sa transformational leadership. Diba, you have to be empowered, not only be empowered, but you really correct. You really have. You should not only be empowered, but you also have to carry the ideals of a lady that can empower others also. So I think naana tanan kay Michelle. And I'm really karon mas medyo komportable ko na isulti gani na makalusot jud siya. Sa una man gud kay it's more than the physical beauty lang man gud and attributes na nakita nako.
Dili lang plain kuan lang. Beauty lang ta din.
Abi gud nimo no, the first impression really counts a lot.
Yes, correct,
the first impression really counts a lot. So the moment that you step into not even the stage but into the island, diba, or the country where they will be doing the kanang Miss Universe pageant, diba, you really have to make an impact, diba? And how can you impact other people's lives if your presence is not impactful enough? Marag-ana gani.
Yes, all right. Thank you for that wonderful thoughts. Candidate number 36.
Yes,
Sir Harold, thank you so much.
Yes, and keep safe ha, grabe. Nakulbaan dyan ko sa linog gahapon.
Gani. Ikaw po, sir, where are you gonna watch the Miss Universe?
Yes, I'll be watching it in Lapu-Lapu City.
Wow. The Queen City of the South.
Correct. I'm invited as one of the judges for Pasigarbo sa Lapu-Lapu.
Oo, God bless diha, sir. And
salamat kaayo.
Thank you, and salamat kay sir sa imong panahon din sa DXBC.
Salamat kay sa tanan natong mga suking panubay ug salamat pud kayo sa DXBC.
Straight to the point. Weekend edition.